We are going to roast a pig today. A while ago, this pig was alive on a farm. We call it, in Suriname, we call it here fever grass. What do you call it?
Tanglad.
Tanglad.
Panglad. Oh,
Tang,
okay.
tang,
Pang.
tang.
O tang.
Yes, tanglad.
O tanglad. Okay. Please like, subscribe, and share. Hey my amazing people, how are you guys doing? A wonderful good morning to you all. And for those who are living across the globe, I must say a beautiful, wonderful good evening. Well guys, today I'm meeting up with some friends and we're gonna go pick up a pig. Yes guys, you heard me correctly. We are going to roast a pig today. Well, actually not me, I'm just gonna vlog the process. It's my friend's wife's birthday and they're gonna roast a whole pig. And I'm excited to see how it's being done. So you guys just stay tuned, grab your popcorn, grab your Coke, grab your pizza, and relax, throw back, and enjoy the video. Okay guys, so we went to the farm, we got the pig, and now we were preparing the pig for the roasting.
Oh.
Hi!
Yeah, like that.
Just making sure it's clean. You have to strap it down as secure as possible so it won't come off the pole. A while ago, this pig was alive on a farm. And now this pig is tied to a pole. Will be used to serve as food a few hours from now. Oh, look, these are the different ingredients they're using: onions, garlic, bay leaves, salt.
Yeah. And
There's no magic sarap.
magic sarap. That is another people who gonna preparing the putting magic sarap.
Okay.
But for us, I use this salt.
So you have onion, salt, bay leaves, garlic, fever grass,
And the
or lemongrass. Huh?
lemongrass, and then the leaves of onion.
Onion. Oh, green onions.
We're bringing in that one, the lemongrass.
The lemongrass, yeah. So that's how they do it, guys. See? And then I put some green onions in there, and then some fever grass or lemongrass. We call it in Suriname. We call it here fever grass. What do you call it?
Tanglad.
Tanglad.
Panglad. Oh, okay.
Tang.
Pang.
Tang.
O tang.
Yes, tanglad.
O tanglad. Okay. In Filipino, they say tanglad. We say fever grass here, but then they call it lemongrass also. It's a very good herb, especially when you're having fevers, colds. Used for all kinds of usage. Put some salt in there now.
Usually using half kilo.
Oh, half kilo salt.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I guess it depends on the size of the pig too, right? A bigger pig, maybe you use more salt.
Yeah, maybe.
This is about 30 kilos.
30 kilos.
Oh. So just preparing the seasonings.
Operation. Doctor operation.
Oh, okay. Okay, the surgery is finished. You're gonna stitch it back now. This don't it don't burn or melt in the.
will not burn.
Really?
Yeah, this is another type. Not a nylon.
Oh, so,
Yes,
okay.
cotton.
Okay.
Yeah, because if you put nylon, it will easily burn.
Burn. Oh, this one burn?
No,
Nice.
it will not burn.
So what's this?
That is kind of like cotton.
Oh, cotton. Okay, okay. Yeah, this takes time to close up back.
Surgery.
Yeah. Delicate surgery.
Aside from being cook, they also do. They are also doctors doing surgery.
Yeah, I know, right? Did a heart transplant and all the organ transplant, but we didn't put any back in, so
The organs I already cook.
the organs we'll cook it separately.
Yes.
And guys, this is where they're gonna roast the pig. Look, see here. You'll see the setup in a little bit, and I'll tell you more about this in a while. Motorized.
Andar wala?
A genius way of doing it.
Ay, Dr. Pat?
Kapatid mo ah. Diba isang basurahan ko? Ring.
Genius way. Genius way.
Kahit away yun.
Good construction. It's a good construction. It saves you from turning it with your hand for 5 hours or 6 hours.
Yes. So they will
And
do
go
much more.
faster. Yeah.
Ilukot tayo mo.
Ah, this is from a PC.
PC.
I thought it's a power supply. I didn't realize it until now. Nice.
Kuya,
Setting up the mechanism.
Kuya Boy talaga may...
You pour that on top.
Yeah, that is final wash.
Oh, that's the final wash. Oh, I thought this was the final wash. Okay, this is the final wash. Some people I saw in the Philippines, they put coconut water.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
To help the crunchiness of
Crunchiness,
the...
yeah. So they wash it down with the coke. That is to give the skin the crunchiness that it usually has when it's finished roasting. All stitched up.
Buksan mo kaya, tapos yan niya, tingnan niyo sa loob. Hindi ko ba yan din?
Okay.
Yes. Diriyak. Gawas gamay. So diriyak. So dyan na yung kwantong bokeh.
Iangat mo, iangat mo.
Starting to change color. And the process continues. You gotta keep oiling it so then it won't crack. Okay, got it?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Painter at perfection. This is the lechon guy. He does all the lechon. Look at him. Look at him. He is the pro in Suriname. Surinamese pro. He's gonna open a Lechon Baboy restaurant. That's the birthday section there. That'll be later. It's coming along, guys. It's coming along. As you can see, guys, it's coming along. It's coming along. Slowly but surely. 1 hour more, I think. And then it will be finished. It's getting beautiful color now. Look at that, guys. Look at that. The party is getting started, guys. Look at that, guys. We are now on the home stretch. Don't have long more, maybe about 30 minutes more, and then it's finished. Look at that golden color, guys. Look at that. Yes, guys, what I wanted to say is that this roasted pig are famously known in the Philippines as the Lechon Baboy is very popular in the Philippines. And I can only speak for the Philippines because that's the only country I visited that has this that's roasted pig or Lechon Baboy. Yeah, I know you can find it in Vietnam, Cambodia, Thailand, Singapore, Malaysia, maybe China, Korea, Japan, Spain, and even in Cuba here, I saw it in a documentary. But I can only speak for the Philippines because that's where I saw the Lechon Baboy. That's where I visited, and it's popular, guys. On most celebrations, this is a must. This guy is the main attraction on the table. This guy has to be there. It's a must. Most celebrations you'll find this guy on a tabletop waiting to be eaten. Depends on which province you're from in the Philippines or which area you belongs to. They have different ways in preparing Lechon Baboy. Different seasoning, different methods. You know, some places in the Philippines they even put chicken in the belly of the pig. They put I saw some places they put ham. So it all depends which part of the Philippines you belongs to or which part you're visiting. That's the part you'll see the kind of method they'll use for their kind of Lechon Baboy. This what we're doing here is a typical Suriname Lechon Baboy. So it has like about 30 minutes more, and then that roasted pig Lechon Baboy is finished, waiting to be tasted, waiting to be eaten. Stay tuned, guys. Finish, guys. Finish. Huh? And that, my friends, that's a Lechon Baboy. That's how it's done. Philippines in Suriname. Happy birthday. So guys, if we have the lechon, the party continues. The party is starting now. And these are all the goodies on the table here. The pig is being chopped up. Arnold,
Yes.
tell me what are these Filipino dishes?
This one is dinuguan.
Ginoguan.
Yes.
And this one?
This one is I think apritada. Right? Apritada, right?
Uh-huh.
And then this is adobo.
Adobo. Chicken. Adobo. Chicken adobo.
And then this one is piñata.
Ladies drink.
The ladies drink.
Okay, ladies drink. Okay, ladies
And
have fun.
pancit. We call it pancit.
Pancit,
Bami from
yeah.
Philippines.
Uh-huh.
And this one is sweet sour. Fish, sweet sour.
These are fish.
Yeah.
Okay.
Ito.
Okay, guys. These are some of the Filipino dishes here.
We call it puto.
Yeah.
And
That's
then
a puto.
And then this one is pichi. Pichi. They call it pichi.
Pichi pichi. Okay. All right, guys. This is some of the Filipino dishes you can find here.
Yeah, chicken lang. Yeah, chicken lang.
And the main event is right there. This is the crispy part of the skin. Oh yeah. Let's try this now. This is the part of the pig that's supposed to be crispy. If it's crispy, then you know it's a good roasted pig. Good Lechon Baboy. That's crispy, guys. That is so crispy. Hear the crunch, right? Let's see. Soft and it's tender. And this here is a tender piece of meat. Tender piece of meat, guys. Look at this. Oh man, look at that. Look at the goodness there. That's really cool, guys. That's cooked to the bone. Perfect spices, not too salty. You can taste the spice in there. Cooked to the bone, guys. I am telling you. Oh, this is so good.
You want rice? You want rice? Finish rice.
As you can see, everyone is eating now, and then the party is gonna start later. You're gonna have karaoke, you're gonna have some dancing and drinking, but everyone make sure that they eat first. Eating is more important.
Dapat Meme, picturean mo.
Kaya nga, liit ba? Hindi talaga na-cover yung chan mo.
The head is left there. Most of it is gone already. Hi.
Asa niyo isang mabait? Baligawan niya na.
And that, my friends, is a Lechon Baboy, Filipino style, done in Suriname. The whole process of that pig took all day from about 10 o'clock this morning until 4:30. So I'm gonna go enjoy all that goodness now, guys. Sit, relax, drink a few cups of beer, and I'm gonna head home. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to share. Thank you guys for joining me. I hope you guys had fun on this video, and I'll catch you on the other video. God bless.